Let's talk about how to stack 2-point boxes. Now, first of all, remember I'm working on an iPad where it's next to impossible to get lines to go to your vanishing point. So I'm drawing freehand. At no time should your drawings be done freehand at all. Always use your T-square, triangle, and other equipment to help you to get your lines exactly right. All right, let's go on. You should recognize the X plus diamond, X plus configuration on top of this box. If you take a look, you'll see where the box is going to be stacked on top of this box. Since we're going to be centering this box, we're going to find the 4 corners. Now, you should not do dots like I'm doing right now. I'm just showing you where the corners of the box that I'm going to draw are going to go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw up from the front corner of the second box. Let's get started doing that. This is the front corner of the box that I'm about to draw, centered on top of the first box. Now, we already know where the bottom of the front of this box is going to go because our X plus diamond lines are right there for us. Now, we're going to start drawing upwards from here and from here. Remember, we can only use verticals. I apologize, my stylus slipped. Let me try that line again. Okay. Third time's the charm. Okay, so now we have our 3 corners. Now we need to stop the box's rise. How do we do that? Well, on the front of the box, we used orthogonal lines. And so we're going to use orthogonal lines on our box up here too. Once again, these lines are going to the vanishing point. So to the vanishing point and to the vanishing point. Orthogonal lines both. All right, let me clean that up for you a little bit. So there we now have the front edge of the box, which of course is the same as the bottom box. Here's the top edge and the top edge. So the 2 red lines are very much the same. And now we complete the box. In order to complete the box, we simply crisscross. And these lines, once again, are orthogonals. They need to go directly to the vanishing point. So by doing this, we've now created a box centered in a box. But if we're drawing this as a transparent box, we need one more line. I'm going to use red to indicate the final line so that you can see where that final line would go. And of course, the back of the box would be here and here. So if you take a look now, you should be able to see the bottom of the box. I'll put a little blue dot there. The top of the box, that would be up here. And then the 2 sides facing us and the 2 sides on the other side of the box. 2 2-point boxes, one opaque, that is to say you can't see through it, the other transparent. And you can continue to stack on top of one another, even above eye level. Go ahead and give it a try and see how many boxes you can stack.